Hello everyone, welcome back. This is the last topic in Python operator. We need to see the last topic that is called the operator precedence. Operator precedence, what does it mean? Suppose if you're giving two values at a time, two operate at a time, there will be an order, which one has to operate first, which one has to act first. That is what the operator precedence. There is a rank for each one. The first rank will go to the parenthesis, whatever is available inside the parenthesis, it will give us important to that. That will be first executed. Then the second rank will go to the power or exponentiation. Then it will go to plus x minus x and complement of that value. Okay, unary plus unary minus and b2 is not. It is given importance to that. Fourth one, it will go to this arithmetic operations like multiplication, division, or modular division or floor division. And the fifth one, it will go to addition and subtraction. Sixth one, b2 is left shift and b2 is right shift. Then seventh one, b2 is and. Eighth one, this b2 is XOR. Ninth one is b2 is OR operation. 10th rank is for double equal to, not equal to, that is this comparison operator, membership operator, and identity operators. We have seen all this double equal to, not equal to, greater than, less than, greater than, equal to, less than, equal to, is not, in, is, and is not. In, not in, is, not is. Sorry, is not, and sorry, let me come in once again. Comparison operation will come 4 to 5 different values: equal to, not equal to, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, and in and not in, then is and is not. These are the comparison operators. And the next rank will go to not x, that is logical not. Then 12th rank will be the and operator, logical and the lowest priority will be logical or. These are the operator precedence, which comes first, which operation first to come first. Based on this one, the mathematical operation will happen in Python programming. Whenever we do some programs, and if you're getting any wrong output, the thing what we need to understand is we need to check this table. This is called the precedence table, and see the order, on which order we have given that particular. If you're getting an ambiguous value, then definitely you have to put that particular value in the parenthesis and run the execution. Once again, we will get the exact result. This is for quick checkup and all. This is all about this precedence operations. There is nothing more to discuss on this one, but it's a very important topic to understand. That's all about this precedence operations and the order of execution rank. That's all about this video. This is the end of this episode 2 regarding this operators in Python. On the next video, I will come up with a small project related to this episode 0. We will wind up with that project on this episode 0, and then we'll discuss some interview questions and some Q&A sessions. I will discuss few important interview questions which is coming usually in the interview boards regarding these operators. Then we'll wind up the episode 0 tomorrow. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one. Bye.